Are you interested in learning about printable journal pages? Then you're going to want to watch this video. I'm going to show you exactly what printable journal pages are, how you can use them, how they can improve your life, so stay tuned. Alright, so let's get started with this video. I just love printable journal pages better than I actually love physical journals. So I'm going to go over everything you need to know about printable journal pages in this video. What exactly are printables? Let's start with that question, and why should you be using them? Printables are basically a PDF file that you can download instantly and print at home. So some of you might already know about printables because most people in the journaling community are familiar at least with printables. They might not prefer them. A lot of journalers really like the hardcover, physical books. But there's a growing number of people that are getting more and more interested in printable journal pages. They're a really big seller on Etsy. So basically, it's really just a PDF file, and what I love about them is, so many things, but you can buy one, download it, print it, and you can be using it within minutes. Minutes. Where else can you do this? How else can you do this with anything else like this? So what are some of the common printables that people buy on Etsy? Planners is a big one. Journals, of course. Workbooks. Checklists. All of these things are great sellers on Etsy. So what is the first step? You purchase and download a printable on Etsy. Easy enough. Just go to Etsy and go to Etsy and search for journal pages, printable journal pages, or whatever specific type of journal you're looking for. Let's say you're looking for a gratitude journal, so you'd type in gratitude journal printable pages, or even just printable gratitude journal. And you will find so much, so much. This is a huge genre, or niche, I should say. Step 2, print at home or your local print shop. So if you don't have a printer at home, which most people do, but if you don't, you can go to any local print shop that has the capabilities to print, and they even have the ability to print on different sizes. And I think, I'm not 100% sure on this, but I'm mostly sure that almost any PDF file that you purchase, you can have printed in any size you want, as long as it doesn't stretch it out too far. So like, let's say you buy a 8.5 by 11 inches, which is standard American letter size. If you buy one like that and you say, I want this to be like a 6 by 9, a smaller size, that would work perfectly. So, that's fine. And then the next thing you can do, the next thing is step 3, which is to use it in either a clipboard or a binder. And I didn't put on this slide, but you can also put them on your refrigerator. You can also laminate them. Well, actually, you wouldn't want to laminate a journal page because, you can't write on it then. But that's something that you can do with printables in general. If there's a printable that you want to reference, like a reference sheet or a cheat sheet, or something that has a list of things that you will always be there, you're not going to write on it, that's a perfect thing to laminate. But what I like to do with mine is to put them in a binder. That's my favorite. I also use clipboards, of course. I really like using clipboards in my bed when I'm going to bed. That's when I do my nighttime journaling, because then I can just put my clipboard on my lap, and it's, I'm sitting in bed, so it's a hard surface and you can write. You don't need a table. And so the binder is the thing that I use when I'm writing in my gratitude journal. I have that in a binder. I've also got my business binder in a binder. That's a separate thing, but basically, they're so versatile. You can just do whatever, whichever one of these options sounds best to you. How can printables help you improve your life? That's the big question. Like, why? What's the why? Would you want printables? So you can do all of these things with printables. You can organize your life. So that's basically like to-do lists and things like that. Express and process your thoughts and feelings. That's the one that pertains to journal pages. Of course, we all know, if you're a fan of journaling, which you probably are since you clicked on this video, or you might be a subscriber to this channel already, I'm all about journaling. So that's really expressing and processing your thoughts and feelings. It's very therapeutic, which is why journaling is so amazing. You can reach your goals. So if you buy a goal planner, goal journal, that will definitely help you reach your goals even easier than if you were just doing it on your own without any guidance. You can create a healthy lifestyle, and this is what I teach in my main business. I've actually got a side business and a side YouTube channel called Holistic Lifestyle Guide, and that's mostly what I do. That's my main thing because I'm all about the healthy lifestyle. So if you're looking to create a healthy lifestyle, then you really need to get yourself some workbooks, planners, journals, checklists, and all that fun stuff, because it all is a great tool to help you guide you on your path towards optimal health and happiness, which is what we're all looking for, right? Then the last one on this list is to make positive changes. So that kind of goes along with all these other things, because if you're creating a healthy lifestyle, if you're trying to reach your goals, if you're trying to organize your life, if you're trying to journal to improve your life in any way, these are all positive changes. And this is why I started making printables, because I didn't want to just make any old printables. I wanted to make ones that would make people's lives better. So that brings me to this question. Where can you buy high quality printables to improve your body, mind, and soul? So this is my Etsy shop. It's called Holistic Lifestyle 101. And if you're looking for any type of printable that you want to improve your life, then I have probably got it, because at this time of recording, I've got 110 different products available on Etsy, and most of them are printable. A few of them are just digital, where if you have one of those annotation apps such as GoodNotes, a lot of people use those for digital planners. So if you're into digital planners, I've got a couple of those on there too. But honestly, you can use any PDF file as a digital planner or a digital journal. Whatever, you just open it up in the app, and then you can write on it on the app. So, like, I don't do that, but I know that that's how they work. So whether or not you're looking for a physical thing to print or a digital journal, then I've probably got something for you. So if all of this sounds really good to you and you want to learn more about how to use printable journals, I've got a video right here where I talk about how I use them. And if you're interested in checking out my Etsy shop, I have the link down below in the show notes, or I should say the description. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.